Good morning, everyone. I want to uh, image driving on the freeway at around 70 miles per hour. Now, imagine taking your eyes off the road for just 5 seconds to answer a text or screw through social media, TikToks, or whatever, or changing song. So in those 5 seconds, your car can travel the length of a football field completely blind. Distracted driving has become so common that many people barely even react when they see someone using their phones while driving anyone, but the consequences are still deadly. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration published that April 1st, 2024, distracted driving causes 3,308 deaths in 2024 and injured hundreds of thousands more people. Today, I will argue that sticker distracted driving laws stricter driving laws and stronger enforcement and personal accountability are the only effective ways to reduce distracted driving. First, I will discuss the problem of distracted driving. Second, I will explain the causes and why people continue doing it. Third, I will talk about the possibility and the solutions and what actually can we do about it and what are the possibility that it works. So to begin, distracted driving has become a normalized habit in American society. So therefore, I would say, according to the according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, where they published at April 1st, 2024, people are not just texting while driving anymore. Dri- Drivers are scrolling through apps, filming videos, checking social media, and using navigation systems while driving at the highway speeds. The report also stated that around 2,900, 290,000 people were hospitalized because of distracted driving crashes. This evidence is important because it shows that distracted driving is no longer rare behavior. Quite the opposite, it's common, very common. It has become part of everyday driving culture. Many people know it is dangerous, but they continue doing it anyway because they see other people doing it the same thing. So they do it multiple times. Like they don't care about rules or they're getting distracted by it. Another example comes from a Newsseeker published June 24th, 2024. The article explained that Montana was the only state in the United States without a distracted driving law at the time. This mattered because law influence behavior when a state does not take distracted driving seriously. It sends them message that using a phone while driving is not a major issue. That attitude spreads socially and affects how people think about road safety. So overall, I would say distracted driving is not just an individual problem anymore. It has become socially accepted behavior, and even though it continues causing deaths and injuries every year. So I would say, personally, I would think about this as, uh, if we understand the problem, the next question would be, why do people continue doing it even when they know it's dangerous, and it would happen with the consequences and the cause of injuries and deaths. One of the major cases is that earlier laws and prevention methods were simply not strong enough. So, according to the AP News, published May 9 at the 2024 Pennsylvania passed a stricter handled phone ban because previous distracted driving laws were not reducing crashes effectively. So this evidence shows that the weak laws do not change behaviors. If penalties are simple or enforcement is inconstant, drivers often continue taking risks because they do not accept real consequences. Well, that's my opinion about it. Another cause is overconfidence with modern technology. So they rely on technology and they think it will help them and secure them. So according to Roots, published at September 17, 2024, Insurance Institute for Highway Safety found that drivers using portal automation systems actually grab their phones more often because they distracted and they trust technology too much, and they think, so if I rely on the technology, so nothing will happen, will bad will happen to me. So this is important because it proves distracted drivers is usually unlimited. They rely on phone problems, and ultimately, it's not just a phone problem, nor not just a technology problem. Even when vehicles become safer, human behavior can still create danger. Some drivers believe features like lane assist or autopilot allow them to stop paying attention, but technology cannot replace responsible decisions making. So the real causes of distracted driving are weak accountability, dangerous habits, and overconfidence. I would say that. Well, mostly it would be the distraction of the bad habits. So I would wrap it up this presentation by saying that there's some solution for it, so that significantly reduce the distracting driving if they are enforced properly. According to the Insurance Institute uh, for Highway Safety, published at August 9th, 2022, states such as Oregon and Washington saw crashes rates decreases after implementing full hand and phone bans. The research also showed that portal bans left loopholes and were much less effective. So that's it almost. Yes, that's it. Thank you.